Hey everyone, if you're always on the go and tired of slow charging, this one's going to be a game changer. Let's check out one of the fastest and smartest wireless chargers built for iPhone. Let's begin with a quick demo. Just snap it onto the back of my iPhone. Thanks to MagSafe compatibility, it attaches securely and starts charging instantly. And here's my favorite part, the foldable stand. You can set your phone vertically for calls and multitasking or horizontally for videos. And here's the cool part, that smart display. It shows your live charging status so you're always in control. Here's the packaging, clean and premium like we expect from Anker. On the front side of the box it says 15 watts ultra fast magnetic charging with smart display, 2 times faster and a powerful 10,000 mAh battery. Flipping to the back and it highlights the key strengths again: fast wireless charging, smart monitoring and a slim but powerful profile. Now let's open the box to see the power bank. Inside the box, the power bank feels sleek and sturdy, a premium finish that fits right in your hand or pocket. This 10,000 mAh battery packs enough power to charge your iPhone more than twice, and thanks to 15 watts output, you get seriously fast wireless charging up to 2 times faster than standard models. On the front, you have got the MagSafe-compatible charging surface, and on the side, you have got a smart display which shows charging status, battery level, and more. And at the back, you have got a foldable stand. And here is the power button down, and tap the power button. The smart display lights up with battery info. No guesswork, it shows exactly how much charge is left. Honestly, Anker nailed it with this one. Sleek, reliable and packed with performance. Perfect for travel, daily use or those all-day adventures. You also get a user manual with setup and safety info, quick and easy to follow. And of course, a USB-C to USB-C cable is included, simple, compact and fast. The cable is short, neat and easy to travel with. No tangled mess, just clean and convenient charging on the go. Now I'm charging the power bank itself. Just connect the USB-C cable and the smart display gives you a full charging readout. So that's a full look at Anker's ultra-fast wireless charger with 15 watts charging, MagSafe support, smart display and a powerful battery in one compact design. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more quick reviews, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.